Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Paul. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice, it disturbing. Like sometimes it comes and goes. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. All right,
Eh,
let's get started.
okay, sure. So, will you share your screen or shall I?
You can share your screen because you have to explain, right?
Take it. So, are you able to see my screen, right? Can you see?
Yes, yes, I
Hello.
can.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
basic.
You can't hear me, is it?
Sometimes it comes and goes, like not proper.
Okay.
Maybe it would be a network connection.
Okay, let me try to connect to another network. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Is it better now?
Yeah. I can hear you. So we'll start, right? So
Yes.
what we were having the issue. First of all, we will discuss that the keywords which we plan, right? So these are
Hmm.
the keywords which we are going to focus, right? And
Hmm.
these are the keywords which has the this. These are the pages. So let's see that
Hmm.
we will open this as you have this one, right?
Hmm.
This is the URL which in terms of
Hmm.
SEO perspective, when we are going to write a page for particular keyword, we have to be very cautious about what we are going to choose in terms of the website on page optimization and the off page optimization. So these are the strategies. The first strategy should be for anyone writing a content. Again, for writing a content and for that keyword, it is not like we have taken the keyword and write anything about that. We have to see the competitors first, the competitors what they are doing and what are the keywords. And for writing a content nowadays, Google wants you to have many other suggested keywords also included in your website. So it gives you a little bit boosting, rather your competitors.
Okay, so I have one
Uh,
question here.
hmm,
One question. If for
yeah.
example, if this is the keyword classroom app for students, can you
Hmm,
give the respective keywords that you would want in the blog in the
right.
next column? If
So
you go to that
okay,
sheet again.
I'll I'll give you, I'll show you all those things. So what I'm trying to tell you that always keep in your mind that when we are trying to focus on the keywords, it should be on URL, and again it should be in title. See here, the title which has been written, again there is nowhere connectivity with the classroom app for students.
So we cannot have a title which says classroom app for students, or if you can go back to the sheet, I'll give you more examples.
Hmm.
Yeah. So here online classes for 8th grade, schools online classes. We cannot have titles of blogs names. I mean, it would look very, I mean, it's not a fair blog name, right? How can you write a blog based on that? I mean, here,
You
for
are.
example, online learning schools
Hmm.
cannot be a title. Online learning schools is not even comprehensive.
I'm not asking directly that same keyword you have to put there and nothing prefix or suffix. I'm talking about that keyword has to be there in title, whether it is a
So,
suffix or
does it
prefix
mean
you add.
online learning schools, then one or two words out of that should be there in the title? Will that work?
Yeah, obviously, but that keyword should be there, no? What I'm talking about, because
One
Google,
or two words from the keywords, right?
sorry,
One or two words from the complete thing is what you are talking about.
yeah,
For example, here.
hmm,
Mhm.
one or two words or entire word if you are keeping it. If you are understanding that entire keyword, if we are going to put, and it wouldn't be fit for the title, it wouldn't be fit for the writing a blog and all, but you have to understand Google's eye. You know that the Google cross the data in terms of the keyword. When we are searching for that, the related keyword, related content, it should be there, right? And for that title we have to define in such a way their keyword should be available.
I'm busy on call.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so let's suppose if we are searching this same, we will search here, right? We'll show that online learning schools, right?
Hmm.
Let's suppose we search for that, and you can see over here, see, at least learning solution, again it is there in the, you know, the heading title over here. If you will open this one, maybe there is a, what is it? Let it go. Okay, so here you can see distance learning solution, like that. So what we are going to focus, learning solution, learning a classroom learning. Here you can find classroom, right? Classroom at how many times. Again we have to see that classroom how many times it has been mentioned in the content. And learning, again see how many times it has been there. So with respect to this, we have to understand the content we have to write, and the title, all those things, it should be included on uh, the
Sure, we'll
keyword
get
which
it
we
done.
are focusing, right?
Understood.
Yeah. So let me just show you this first. SEMrush. You can just open. You can try this
I
SEMrush.
don't
It is
have access to this.
not a paid one. You can just try this one. You just open with this Clarion, this Gmail ID. I have this one, so you can use it for free for full time. Right. So here is the content marketing over here. You can see here the content marketing dashboard, topic search, SEO content templates,
Hmm.
SEO writing assistants, all those things is there. So if you will click over here, content marketing dashboard, you just you know, let's see, okay, let's see this classroom apps for the students, and this media, get content ideas. So over here, if you can see the results which is shown by this tool, which displays over here the volume of the searches is happening with this keyword. Google Play means somebody who is searching for classroom apps for a student, it is relatable for Google Play, where from they download the apps. Are you getting my point? That if you are writing some content, it should be related to uh, the other platforms or something, which is very tricky. I'm not the content master, but whatever I understood in terms of SEO, what I'm trying to tell you, so you can guide to your content writer as well. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to
Yes,
make you
yes.
understand? Right. So here, if you can see over here, other platform which is called Google Chrome. Again, it is searched you know uh, 673.0k that search. And here again you will see, if you will see here the other suggestions over here, the headlines, it should be mentioned like this, right? So these are the headlines. If you will just copy and paste in your docs, and calculative way, if you will take out the headings, which headings you should mention or not to mention, like that, you have to strategically, you have to define your page content.
Understood.
Okay, so these are the headlines, these are the keyword suggestions you have to take from this tool. So it would be better for us to rank that page in Google faster, and again it will be a relatable in terms of when people are trying to search for. So again, you've seen here the Google Play. Why Google Play is the trending one, or you can say that 1.2 million it has the search volume, because of these are the keywords which has download Google Classroom for Windows free. These are the relatable content. If you can write with respect to that keyword we are focusing, definitely we are going to rank this. Okay. Again,
Right.
let's suppose I'll just come here. You come here in SEO, and here we have the keyword magic tool. Okay. Now, if you will search for that keyword, so now you can see over here online learning a school. You can see over here that the not the exact match of this keyword, but online learning apps for a school students, it is shown, right? And it has the volume of 140, and here is the intent. So Google keyword planner or other tools won't show you that what is the intent behind this keyword. SEMrush has this one, which is very effective one in terms of choosing the right keyword when it is coming for the commercial purpose or buying intent or something. So you can see which are the keywords you have to, take and implement on your content. Like you can add these content as a H2. So what I'm trying to say, let's suppose you are writing online learning classes, schools, right? Here, if you are writing here online classes, so what is there, this is the heading. Okay, heading, then after again here is the h2, it should be h2, then again next h2, h2. You can write these h2s from these are the keywords, and what will happen, that we can also rank with this keyword as well.
Understood.
Getting, and it would be a related content as well
I have
to
another
Google to
question
crawl.
though. If you go
Yeah.
back to the sheet again, keywords for here, a few of the keywords, the title keywords are very similar. Like for example, classroom apps for students, apps for teachers and students. So can we have 2-3 blogs and they align to both? Is that fine? Or one blog aligned to both? Is that fine? Will there be any problem with respect to SEO?
Are you trying? Are you not clear? I'm unable to understand what you are trying to say. That
I'm
let's suppose
saying,
one blog has the, what is the title? You just define me that in terms of the title.
what I'm saying is the titles that are there. For example, classroom apps or apps for teachers. They're very similar, right? It's classroom apps, teachers, students. The words are very similar. So can I have one block content which has all these keywords into it, and both the links open the same blog? Will there be a problem with respect to SEO? Or if we have 3-4 blogs and all of them align to all these keywords, like, you know,
that would
first
be
and third are
a
very
great,
similar.
that would be great. See, let's
That would be
suppose
fine.
let's suppose classroom apps. Okay, classroom apps is the one page which we are going to focus with the blogs, you are trying to say?
Right. So that will again be applicable for apps for teachers, isn't it? Because apps word is again there.
Let's suppose I'm trying to just define you what you are trying to make me. Let's suppose classroom apps for a student, and you write a blog for apps for students, or best
Right.
apps for students, or top 10 apps
Right.
for a student, right? So these are the blogs, and pointing this page, that would be a great value for this page to get it ranked.
Yeah, with that, my another question was, can that also link to the second row, apps for teachers and students? Because again, that is similar, isn't it?
Yeah, you can do that.
That should be fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can have
I
many
mean,
internal.
ultimately, they're all apps only, right?
Yeah. So you can make few of the internal linking with your other website pages. That would be a great value in terms of SEO. That should be
Okay.
right. So
Okay,
now you
understood
have.
this. I'll get this done.
Okay, so now you have got this, all these keywords you have to mention as a H2, and again you see that the what keyword we are going to focus, this keyword, right? And with respect to this keyword, here is the numbers, all the keywords. Here is the students, how many times it has been, high, open, India, best, middle. These are the words it should be included while writing content. Getting my mind, when we are writing a
Understood.
content, these are the words it should be mentioned in that. So very strategically we have to write the content. It is not like, again, blindly we have to write over the keyword we have chosen. That's it. So
It should make
my,
sense also, and
yeah,
it should add all these. Understood. I'll get that done.
right. So better if someone who is writing content, before that, just go for one video of SEMrush for content writing. No, he will have the clear idea how to write the content and which all the keywords.
Understood. Yeah.
Right. So that all makes sense, and then definitely will go for higher ranking. So I was waiting for
Sure.
long time, and it went. So now we can start with a new strategy, right?
Yeah.
Any other questions you have, ma'am?
No, just that. I'll get this done. I'll get it done like over the week. I'll get it done because I don't have a full-time person working on this, right? So from their regular time, they have to get time and do it. So over the week, I'll do it. Once a majority of it is done, I'll let you know.
Okay, absolutely.
Okay. By Thursday, I'll let you know.
Sure.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.